Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. I'm Jamie and this is Ross. This week we're making a Campfire Bourbon Cider up at the lake. What do we need, Ross?
We're going to start with 2 cups of apple juice, and then we're going to put in 3/4 cup of orange juice. Going to get this started. There's 1, 2, all right, and then about 3/4 cup of orange juice. And then we're going to add in, what's that called?
Apple pie spice.
Okay. You could also put in either mulling spices or cinnamon, some clove, but we're up at the lake, so this is all we've got. That's probably close.
Don't go crazy with it. Right, half a teaspoon or so.
Just stir this up, let it simmer for 10 minutes, and then we take it out to the campfire, and then we add the bourbon after that. And what, a couple ounces of bourbon?
Yeah.
An ounce and a half in each, something like that. Okay, we'll let this go for 10 minutes, and then we'll take it outside.
Ready? So now that we've let our cider mull for a little while, we're sitting out at the campfire. Now we're just going to add our bourbon.
And it's always nice to sit around the campfire with family and friends wearing your Leatherman jacket here. Leatherman, well, not quite. It's my Cut Knife Condor's high school jacket. Still fits.
Out at the lake.
Kind of fits. All right.
I'm not a fan in my day of hot mulled beverages, but let's give this a go.
We did try it inside a little bit, and it wasn't quite spicy enough, so we added a bit more of the apple pie mixture. So, cheers. Cheers.
Well, the bourbon's good.
It's lots of bourbon. Forward on the bourbon.
I could drink.
It's not bad.
I could drink about a quarter of this. It's not my favorite, but I'm sure someone else would love it.
Let me try again.
How do you like it?
Equally as disgusting. Oh, second time around. Give it a shot. Cheers.